If you have accidentally deleted an important photo and want it back in the same original quality, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a clear step-by-step method to recover your deleted photos in high quality on both Android and iPhone. The first thing you should always do is check your phone's recently deleted or trash folder. On iPhones, go to Photos, Albums, Recently Deleted, and on Android, open your gallery and look for the trash or bin. Photos stay here for up to 30 days, and the best part is that when you restore from this folder, the image comes back exactly in its original HD resolution. No compression, no quality loss. If the folder is empty, your next step is to check cloud backups. Many phones auto-sync photos to Google Photos, iCloud, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Simply open Google Photos or iCloud Photos and check the recently deleted section. Cloud versions are often stored in full resolution, unless you manually enable storage saver modes. So recovering from here also gives you original quality file. But here's the important part. If your photo is not in the trash and not in the cloud, that does not mean it's gone forever. Your phone still keeps fragments of that image in its internal storage until it's overwritten by some other data. And this is where Stellar data recovery becomes extremely powerful. Stellar can scan deep into your Android or iPhone storage and recover the exact original photo file. Not an AI reconstruction, not a compressed preview, the real full quality image. To recover photos from Android, install Stellar Data Recovery for Android on your computer. Connect your phone with a USB cable, enable USB debugging, and run a deep scan. Stellar will show you all recoverable photos, including high-resolution JPEG and HEIC files. You simply select what you want and click Recover. For iPhone users, the process is just as simple. Install Stellar Data Recovery for iPhone on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone, choose Recover from iPhone, and let the deep scan run. Once it finishes, you can preview the deleted photos and recover them in their original quality with just one click. Stellar works even if the photos are not visible anywhere on your device. It pulls them directly from the internal storage blocks. Here's one crucial warning. Once a photo is deleted, avoid taking new pictures or downloading large files. Every new file can override the deleted data, reducing the chances of a successful recovery. The sooner you use Stellar, the higher your chances of getting your photo back in the perfect original resolution. So, that's the complete process to recover deleted photos in original quality, from checking the built-in trash folders to performing a deep recovery using Stellar on Android and iPhone. I've added the official Stellar download links in the description. Feel free to check it out. Also, you know the drill. Like and subscribe. See you next time.